Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be here today as summer is definitely here and it's time to talk, review, and learn about this summer's makeup trends. For today, I have a very fun and I personally think also important tutorial about the less is more set of mind, basically minimalism in makeup. Now, I'll probably call this video summer makeup trends or something like that, but keep in mind that this is also to show you how to achieve a natural, easy, dewy, and fresh makeup look. So it's also a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial, basically, right? For all of you first-timers on my channel, I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Dana, I'm a pro makeup artist, and this channel is all about makeup. This is the channel to go to if you want to learn a new technique or how to achieve a certain look, but today we're focusing on how to keep it chic and trendy. So if that's something that is interesting to you, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my tutorials, demonstrations, or tips and tricks on how to stay up to date with makeup trends. So the plan is to have a series here on my channel, each episode with another makeup trend. Some will be shorter, some will be longer, but if you want to know all about relevancy in makeup, stay tuned. One of the biggest things this year is the less is more makeup. Well, you know what? It's not a makeup. It's a way of thinking or an approach rather than a certain look. And what's going on basically is just that people are getting tired of seeing these full coverage looks that require loading layers on top of layers on top of layers on your face. And I think it has to do with the fact that people are busier and they just don't prioritize makeup as they did before. So this trend is the no makeup look, using less layers, less products, and enjoy your skin. Being able to see it, I mean. So today for this tutorial, I'm going to use the minimal amount of makeup and to focus more on skincare. And if you're not too familiar with makeup, or if you want to apply makeup and you don't have the time for it, this video is for you, so let's get started. First things first, skin prep. I can't stress enough how important it is to have a skincare routine, skincare regimen, however you want to call it. And I know that the word regimen sounds really scary and like a big commitment, but it doesn't have to be. It could be as simple as applying moisturizer twice a day. That's it. You have your regimen. For me, I always moisturize my skin before I apply foundation or anything else. And depending on the weather, the condition of my skin, where I'm going, the longevity of the makeup I need, I would maybe apply something else like serum, face oil, or primer. I think that instead of me talking and rambling on and on, I'll just zoom you in and let's dive into the less is more makeup. Okay, so I washed my face and now I'm going to prep my skin. First, I'm going to use this Henriksen Truth Serum. And then on top of that, I will use the Henriksen Transform Sheer Transformation Perfocting Moisturizer. These are minis. I bought like a trio. They come in a mini. Thought I'll try it out. It works nicely. So first serum. I'll do 2 pumps of that all over my face. And now I'll use the Henriksen Moisturizer and I will apply it again all over my skin. One additional step that I like to take is using an eye cream, and this is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, and I'm just applying it using my fingers underneath my eyes. And for me, since I'm going today for this no makeup, fresh dewiness, natural face, I'm going to use this Farsali Rose Gold Elixir that I love. I've talked about it so many times. Highly recommend this product. So I'm just popping like 4 drops, you don't need more. Rub it between your fingers and apply it all around your face. This would do magic. Okay, so my skin is done. It's sticky a little bit, a bit oily, but I don't mind that. It will be perfect under the foundation. And let's start with the makeup. For foundation, I want to use something that is lightweight, light coverage, and has SPF for obvious reasons. I mean, it's summer outside, I live in Texas, and you don't have to use a foundation that has SPF, but use SPF. It could be SPF moisturizer, SPF prime, I don't know, whatever. Use SPF. So for me, I'm going with this Sebo Calm Semi-Sheer Foundation. Now this product is actually from Israel. I love it so much that I brought several tubes with me, but you don't have to use this one, though you can find it on Amazon and I'll add the link down below. But there are a lot of other tinted moisturizer out there that you can totally use and will be fine. I just love these ones, but it's not mandatory. So I have the light and I have the medium, and I'm just mixing them both on my palette right here. Just a little spot of that and something of that. Mix them even with my finger and go for it. This is actually the foundation I used before I became a makeup artist. I couldn't stand the feeling of something heavier than this. Basically, this is it. This is the foundation I use for a day-to-day when I don't want to do a lot and just, you know, pick something up and run out of the door. This is the foundation I'm going for. It's not much. You can't really see I have any foundation on, which is the point, of course, but you can still see my skin looks better, right? Next, I'm going to bronze my skin a little bit, and importantly, if you want your skin to look dewy and fresh, use liquid formula on your skin. With that being said, if you are oily, set it with a powder, but if you're not, just get rid of all that powder, use only liquid hydrating formulas on your skin, which will help you achieve that glowing, dewy, fresh look. And for me, that would be the Natasha Denona Face and Glow Foundation in the color 95, I think, which is super cute. It's also Israeli, I mean the brand is. And I'll use just a little bit with the same brush, just on the strategic places, you know, the forehead, the lower part of my cheekbone, and my jawline. Now this product is a foundation, but it's so soft and it's so blendable and it's so lightweight that I love using this as a bronzer. I think it works really, really great. You don't need much, and you know, it's face glow. That was easy, right? Not too complicated. I don't think so. Now, while I let it sit and absorb into my skin, I'm going to do my brows. For today, I'll keep it simple. I'm just going to brush them with some Give Me Brow by Benefit, which is another one of my favorite products. And this is the little wand. It's a really cool product because it's not only brushing your hairs, it's also tinted. It has some color into it, and it has like little bristles. It's called bristles, so it has small bristles to just add volume to your eyebrows without working too hard, I guess. So mine is in the color 5. Is that a shade? I don't know. I don't remember the shade that I ordered, but I'll write in the description box exactly what it is. So I'm just taking that and lightly brush my hairs up. Now, if you want to go the extra mile and really use it to the full extent, so you can do just, you know, brushing your hairs on the opposite direction and then go back and brush them in the correct direction. You can see the difference, right? I mean, it's pretty obvious. I recommend this product for whoever doesn't want to do their brows on a regular basis, don't have the time, lazy, whatever. This is a great product. And now that the foundation and my skin is already set, I'm gonna go for concealer. For me, color correcting concealer, because I have a serious blue discoloration right here. And for that, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Corrector in the color Peach Bisque or number 16. And I just can't get enough of this. It's so simple, so easy, so lightweight. I'm telling you, I can put probably half of this container on my face and you won't know. I might need a little bit more than what I have here right now, but I'm gonna start blending this and we'll see what happens. If you used to do this, do it. If you don't have major issues with your under eyes, or you don't have a problem there, or I don't know, whatever it is, do what you're used to do. But for this look, I don't recommend doing a very, lightened, brightening concealer kind of thing. The idea here is just to conceal and not necessarily to brighten. And I'll use my Laura Mercier translucent powder to make sure that it's set. And I make sure to apply that powder only where I applied the corrector, not anywhere else. Now for my eyelids, I could totally walk out the door just like this and I'll be totally fine with it. But I wanted to show you another alternative of something that is easy and effortless, and you probably have something like that in your makeup collection, so no biggie. And for that, I'm going to use this Smashbox bronzer right here. And I'm using this really fluffy brush and just going over my lid. Nothing intentional. Super easy, super light. Just to have something, do you see? Usually I stretch my eyelid, I look up close in the mirror. No need to. Now if we're at it, I'll just take it with another small brush and run it underneath my lower lash line. Okay, so that's it for the eyes, but now we are going to talk about mascara. So this is the thing. I can't finish my look without mascara. I love mascara. I think it's crucial to my feeling of a put together makeup look, no matter how effortless or minimal or no makeup look it is. So I need to wear mascara. You don't, obviously. But what I'm going to do to try to maintain the vibe of, minimalistic products, I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Sensational that is almost done. It's almost empty. And I'm going to remove any product that it might be too much for this look and use it like that. I can just get my mirror here. That's not too much, right? That's fine. It's still effortless. Last but not least are our lips, and you have so many options to choose from when talking about lips. You can either do just a Sharpie pencil and maybe a lip balm on top of that, or you can do a lip tint or something similar, or you could do something like this Benefit Go-Go tint, bright cherry tinted lip and cheek stain. And I think this is what I'm going for, the Benefit one, because I never tried it before. I got it in the mail 2 days ago and I haven't got around to play with it. And second, because it's also a cheek tint, like blush and lip stain, whatever, in the same product. And this is what we're going for, right? Minimalism in makeup. This is a trend, using less products as possible. So yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, let's try just one dot of this because I heard it's pretty pigmented. And let's see what happens. It is pigmented. And it's pretty nice. I don't know why I have like a pink stain over here. But I think it's nice. Let me just blend it a little bit with my foundation brush. Yeah, it's kind of nice. It gave me some sheer blushed look, I think. And let's try it on my lips. It's a bit weird because it feels really watery and I don't feel like I have anything on my lips. It's a nice product and yeah, I think we're done. That's it, you guys. Pretty simple makeup look. Not a lot of products, but a lot of emphasis on skin prep and skin hydration. Let me know in the comments down below if you are more a makeup person or a skincare person, and how do you combine those two? Thank you so much for watching. You're more than welcome to check out one of my other videos that are right here and here, I hope. If you liked this video or learned anything new, please like this video and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon on my next video where I talk about another makeup trend. Until then, be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!